Meow. So this is just a really quick little gesture sketch of a kitty, of course. And I just love these type of gesture sketches because they have the authenticity and the human aspect of it. Just getting the idea down there so quickly and not stopping to worry about if things are perfectly right or not. And the skill building with this kind of sketching for me is phenomenal. Feeling like those front legs might be a little bit too short, maybe. And that's just seeing it after, because I'm watching it now doing a voiceover. But you learn so much from each one of these quick little sketches to carry on to the next. Just quickly getting some toe lines in there. And I hope you join our Facebook group. You will find the link for that in the comments or in the description below, the video description below. And please leave a comment, and above all, let me know what kind of thing you want to learn about drawing cats, because that's where I get my ideas from. I also love to hear your cat's name or where you are in the world or whatever. I just love to get your comments. I just love the look I've captured on Kitty's face. We'll see you next time.